How to prepare projected financial statements in Excel spreadsheet. In the today's video, we will learn how to prepare the projected statement of changes in shareholder equity. We already did it, the first part, that is projected income statement. If you have not watched it, please watch that video first, then you can understand this part. The link in the description as below. So let's start to prepare the projected statement of changes in shareholder equity. Alright, here in this sheet you can see that I have brought these informations, right? That is the past financial informations of our statement of changes in shareholder equity from our previous financial statement, that is from here. You can see this one. Alright, now let's talk a little bit about our assumptions. So first, the cash dividend. The percentage of cash dividend is constant 3% for the next 5 years, and it can be calculated on net income. Second, stock dividend. The percentage of stock dividends is also constant 17% for the next 5 years, and it can be calculated on previous common stock. Third, reserve and surplus. The percentage of reserve and surplus is constant 5% as well for the next 5 years, and it can also be calculated on net income too. Fourth, face value and MPS, that is market price per share. The face value of a common stock is always 100, okay, while the market price per share are different, you can see here, due to the trading of the stock on a stock exchange, because this price is determined by a stock exchange on the basis of demand and supply of the stock, okay. And here we have assumed certain market price per shares of the common stock for the next 5 years, you can see. Now fifth one is adjusted MPS, that is adjusted market price per share. It is the calculated price, market price per share due to the stock dividend. It can be calculated by simply dividing the current price, that is this one, by the 1 plus rate of stock dividend, that is this one, and you can see in the formula bar, okay. Now let's calculate all the component of this statement, that is this one. So first, common stock. The value of common stock will be same as previous for the next entire year, okay. So let's calculate it. So press the equal to sign and now click this one. Now press the F4 key to absolute preference. Now press the enter key. Now click here and drag from left to right. Alright. Second, additional paid in capital. So to calculate this one, first we have to calculate the existing number of equity shareholder, and then we have to calculate the new number of equity shareholder, and then we have to add these two number of shareholder together and multiply with adjusted MPS, that is this one, okay. So let's start to calculate it. So click here, now press the equal to sign, now press the open parenthesis, and now click here, divide by the face value, that is this one, to get the existing number of equity shareholder, press the close parenthesis, plus add the new number of equity shareholder. So press the open parenthesis, and now to get the new number of equity shareholder, we have to select the value of the stock dividend. So click here, now press the divide sign and click here, that is face value. Now press the close parenthesis, now click here and now add one open parenthesis here, and now click here, now add the one close parenthesis here. Now press the multiply sign from your keyboard and now click here to get the adjusted MPS, okay. Now press the enter key. Alright, now click here and drag from left to right. Here we will see the effect after calculating the stock dividend, okay, amount. Now let's calculate the treasury stock, and we can see that we don't have any informations related to treasury stock, so simply we just put the value 0 for entire year, okay. So put the value 0 here, okay, and now click here and drag from left to right. Alright, now for return earning, it can be calculated by simply adding the existing net return earning, that is this one, with new net return earning, that is sum of this one, okay. And let me tell you one thing here, we will use the negative sign for these two component, because these two component or will lead to retained earning. Okay, so let's calculate. So click here and press the equal to sign. Now click this one to get the existing net retained earning amount, plus write the sum function. Now press the tab and select from here to here, and now press the close parenthesis, and now press the enter key. Alright, now click here. Now drag from here to here. Alright, now for net income, it can be taken the value simply by linking this statement to projected income statement. Okay, so let's start to link it. So press the equal to sign and let's come here. Okay, that is it in the income statement, and select this one. Okay, and now press the enter key. Now click here and drag from here to here. Okay, now for cash dividend, it can be simply calculated by using the percentage of cash dividend to the net income, that is this one. So let's calculate it. So click here. Now press the equal to sign, and before I select this, I'm going to put the minus sign here because we will get the value in the negative form. Okay, so that now select this one times this one. Now press the enter key. Alright, now click here and drag from here to here. Okay, similarly for transfer to reserve and surplus, it can be calculated same as earlier, that is same as cash dividend. So press the equal to sign. Now press the negative sign from your keyboard, and let's get the percentage of reserve and surplus, that is this one, times select this one, that is net income. Now press the enter key. Now click here and drag from here to here. Alright, now let's calculate the stock dividend amount, and it can be calculated by simply using the percentage of stock dividend to the previous value of common stock. Okay, so press the equal to sign, and now select this one. Now press the multiply sign from your keyboard, and now click this one to get the value of previous common stock. Now press the enter key. Alright, now click here and drag from here to here. Okay, now you can see the effect here. Okay, now let's finally calculate the total shareholder equity, and it can be calculated by simply adding the value of common stock, additional paid-in capital, treasury stock, retained earning, and cumulative transfer to reserves and surplus amount. Okay, so let's calculate. So click here. Now press the equal to sign and click this one plus this one plus this one plus this one, and I'm going to use the minus sign here because we will add this one, and this value is already in the negative form, so that I am going to use the minus sign here. Okay, and now tap the sum function here, and we have to calculate the cumulative transfer to reserve and surplus amount. So click here and drag from here to here, and now press the close parenthesis. Now before pressing the enter key, let's fix this column by pressing the F4 key. Alright, now click here and now press the enter key. Alright, now click here and drag from here to here. Okay, alright, now here we have a note represented by asterisk, that is the note of this one. Okay, that says that it means that is stock dividend does not affect the retained earning and total value of shareholder, but it increases let me correct this, increases the number of shareholders and reduces the market price per share. Okay, so remember this thing. Okay, alright, so guys, we are done. We successfully completed this part. Now we will prepare the projected cash flow statement in the next video. Stay tuned. That's all for now. Thanks for watching this video. If you find it useful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video. Signing off.